specially designed for daily commuting and cycling. D-SYS helmet dash camera is here. Super sticky mushroom adhesive tape. Easy to remove, adjust the angle as needed at any time. Traceless disassembly. Extra double-sided adhesive tape with super strong adhesion is provided. When the vibration is detected, it will automatically turn on the recording to escort your ride. Adjust the angle at will. Wi-Fi connection to view real-time images. Upgraded waterproof silicone cover. Our colors to choose freely. The yellow silicone cover enhances your visibility to other road users while cycling. It helps prevent accidents by ensuring that you are easily spotted. Waterproof silicone cover. Safeguarding your rainy rides. Fitting the recorder during cycling, the motor vibrates twice to indicate that it is recording. When the built-in G sensor detects a collision or strong vibration, the recorder will record locked emergency video, save important accident evidence. D-SYS helmet dash camera. Essentials for commuting. Record every wonderful moment for you.